Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the watermark feature on your Redmi 14C. So whenever you take a photo and you'd like to know at what time and the date that you took that particular photo, you can use the watermark feature that comes with the Redmi 14C. Now to use this feature, simply open the camera application on your device. So find the camera app and tap on it to launch it. And then within the camera, tap on the arrow that appears on top of the screen. And then from the options that appear, you should see the watermark feature. So select it. And then by default, it's set to off. And then from here, you should see two options. There's the regular watermark and the film watermark. So if you select the regular watermark, you should see these options appear. So there's the add date and time on photo, and then device watermark and the custom watermark. So whenever you take a photo using the regular watermark, you will see the date and time of that particular photo, and also you'll see the device watermark. Additionally, you can choose to set a custom watermark, so you can tap on that option, custom watermark, and type in your watermark. So let's say just a random one. And then once you type in your custom watermark, you can tap on the check mark and your custom watermark would be saved. So whenever you take a photo, so let me just go back to the photo for the camera, sorry. And then whenever you take a photo and then you open that photo, you'll now see the watermark on your device. So you can see that this is the first one, Redmi 14C is the device watermark. And then that one is the custom watermark that you had. And then you can see the date and time for that particular photo. Now, if you use the other watermark, the film watermark, so let me just go back. So if you use the film watermark, it will show you the time and the coordinates for that particular photo. And also there's a brief description here, which says the film frame watermarks does not support burst shots, movie frames, raw, pro mode high definition features, or used in third-party applications. So once you've read that, so you can choose and select the one that you prefer. If you want the time in that film watermark, you can select it. And if you want the coordinates in that watermark, you can select it. Now, once you take a photo, let's say take a random photo, and then you open that particular photo, you can now see your watermark on your device. So this is the device watermark, as you can see. And then there's the date, and then the coordinates that will appear from that particular photo. So that's basically it on how to use the watermark feature on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.